it's Vicky Blades, your video coach here, and I'm so excited to tell you about my latest offer where I'm going to help you make 6 foundational marketing videos for your video library. That's right, the top 6 marketing videos that every business needs. And I know you keep meaning to get around to it, but it just somehow gets pushed down the to-do list, right? So come with me as we walk step by step through the process of making these 6 videos that will form the foundation of your library that you can reuse, repurpose, and use as a framework for your video content going forward forever. So if you're ready to take action and get video marketing done for once and for all, then it's time to join me, my friend, in the VIP Video Coaching Academy and learn how to get clients fast. Simply put more clients in the comments below or hit me up in the DMs so we can connect and I can tell you all about it.